If you have a single match and you enter a dark room with an oil lamp, a newspaper and some kindling, what do you light first? The answer is the match. Earth lays an egg on a rooftop. Which side does the egg roll off? The answer is roosters don't lay eggs. If a plane crashes on the border of two countries, where do they bury their survivors? Survivors aren't buried. That's the answer. What comes down but never goes up? The answer is rain. You've got 10 seconds to do this. And the question is, how many months have 28 days? The answer is all 12 months. If you throw a red stone into the blue sea, what will it become? The answer is wet. 7. How can a man go 8 days without sleeping? The answer is he sleeps at night. 8. What goes up but never comes down? The answer is your age. 9. If a doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every 30 minutes, how long will it take you to finish all the pills? The answer is 1 hour because you've already took 1 pill. Question 10. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. It still existed. Question 11. You see a boat full of people, but there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible? The answer is all the people were married. Question 12. You have 13 apples and you do take away 3. How many do you have? The answer is you have 3. You took them. Question 13. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long will it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? The answer is 5 minutes. If an electric train is traveling north, which way does the smoke go? The answer is electric trains don't have smoke. Question 15. How much dirt is in a hole that is 3 feet deep, 6 feet long, and 4 feet wide? The answer is none. It's a hole. There's 0 dirt. Question 16. A farmer has 17 sheep and all but 9 die. How many are left? 9 sheep. Some months have 31 days, some have 30, and how many have 28? The answer is all of them, all the months. 18. How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? Once. After that's 90. 19. If you are running a race and pass the person in second place, what place would you be in? Second place. That's the answer.